Hey guys, and of course, welcome to my channel where we discuss building a bridge between your business ideals and of course a successful business. On today's episode, we will be talking all about Instagram profile pictures. So y'all, just to let y'all know that these Instagram profile pictures can also be used as a Facebook profile picture as well. So in this video, we're going to go through how to take the picture, how to edit the picture, how to find the proper dimensions, and then of course uploading the picture. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So y'all, right here I am simply just preparing my stand to put my phone on it because that's the camera that I typically use. Honestly, a iPhone camera is pretty good quality. I don't really think that you need a professional camera just to take profile pictures. So I'm just preparing that stand, and of course I am also using my handy dandy Bluetooth clicker that actually came with the stand. My second step is to start editing. Now y'all, honestly, all I've been using lately to edit is Instagram filters. Now if you're a really busy person, then you understand why. Once you click that filter and you take that picture, you're pretty much done, and that's really come in handy for me lately. But also in the past, I have used apps, individual apps that has been beneficial as well. So the first app that I've used is Snapseed, and I actually did mention that recently in my social media apps for 2021 video. I'll link that down in that description box and also in the info cards in case you guys want to check that out. But also I think Lightroom and Photoshop are exceptional apps as well. Hey guys, I'm just here to remind you guys to give this video a huge thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to comment down below some of your favorite apps to use on social media. And of course, you cannot forget to get your free stocks using my Webull affiliate link down in that description box. And do not forget to get your free Canva Pro trial using my affiliate link down in that description box as well. Anyways, let's get straight back into the video. Okay, y'all, so now on to the third step, which is to find the proper dimensions and to create a cool background. So pretty much what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my Canva app on my phone. Now, of course, you can still do this same exact thing on a desktop computer going to the Canva website, but I just prefer to use the app. Now, all I'm going to do is type in Instagram post because that's the dimensions, whether it's an Instagram profile picture or a Facebook profile picture that you're going to use. I'm going to go ahead and find a template already made for me that I like the background of. Now, just keep in mind that you can also add more details to the template. I just personally am not interested in that, but I'm just going to go ahead and delete anything that I don't like on the template. Then I'm going to go ahead and upload the picture that I want. I'm going to click Photo Library, and then I'm going to click the image. Alright, now that image is uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and click Effects and Background Remover. Now, the background remover feature is in effect only available for Canva Pro members. So if you're interested in trying out Canva Pro for free and doing a free trial, the link will be down in my description box. But honestly, y'all, Canva Pro is only like $12.95 a month, and you can do so much things with it. I definitely think it's worth it. Now I'm just enlarging the image to the size that I want it to be. Alright, and now, I pretty much like it exactly how it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it. I'm just going to go ahead and send it to my iMessage, and that's typically how I save it. Since this is on camera, I'm not going to put my personal iMessage on there. But pretty much you're just going to send it to yourself, and then you're going to save it like you would any regular message from your iMessage account. And then you'll see it in your gallery. The fourth and final tip is just to make sure that the image is uploaded in Instagram and Facebook. Make sure that you crop it to your liking. It shouldn't be too much cropping, but just make sure that you like the image before you post it and make it go public. I want to go ahead and give a huge thank you to everyone who went ahead and gave this video a Huge thumbs up. Everyone who went ahead and subscribed, and of course turn on that bell notification. Everyone who went ahead and got their free stocks using my Webull affiliate link down in that description box. And of course, everyone who went ahead and used my Canva affiliate link to get Canva Pro. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to see you all soon. Bye!